Dear students, today we will discuss some questions related with the concept of integration. See, in the first question, what they are given, integration of 0 to pi by 2, 1 divided by 1 plus cot x whole to the power 101 into dx. You know very well its property. The properties of definite integrals, it says that 0 to a f of x dx, it can be written as 0 to a integration of f of x, f of a minus x into dx. According to that property, when you will be adopting the same property here to getting its solutions, then you can get its result very easily. Just for time being, you call this is equation number 1. Next, I is equal to 0 to here pi divided by 2. Next, 1 divided by 1 plus cot x, according to the property of definite integral 0 to a f of x into dx, it can be written as integration of 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Therefore, this cot x can be written as cot of, it is pi by 2 minus x, its whole to the power 101 into dx. See, a in the sense it is pi by 2. So, after adopting the property of definite integral, that is 0 to a f of a minus x dx, see, next 0 to pi divided by 2, 1 divided by 1 plus cot 90 minus x, it can be written as tan x, this whole to the power 101 into dx. Then the same term once again can be written as 0 to pi divided by 2, 1 divided by 1 plus tan x, it can be written as 1 divided by cot x, its whole to the power 101 into dx. Next, after finding the LCM of this term, you will be getting, it is cot x to the whole power 101, this divided by cot x whole to the power 101 plus 1 into dx. You call this is equation number 2. Next, see, after adding equation 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. When you add equation 1 and 2, here 1i plus 1i, it will be how much? 2i. This is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Here is also 0 to pi by 2. It is common with both the terms. Therefore, you write it is only once, 0 to pi divided by 2. And denominator term of this equation 1 and equation 2, it will be similar, 1 plus cot x whole to the power 101, cot x whole to the power 101 plus 1. Therefore, you write it only once. So, it is cot x whole to the power 101 plus 1. And after adding both the equations, see, in the numerator side here it will be 1 plus, and in the denominator of equation 2 it will be having cot x to the power 101 into dx. Both the numerator as well as denominator term, after cancelling it, just integration of 0 to pi divided by 2, 1 into dx, it will be remaining. Integration of 1 is how much? It is just x, and its limits are 0 to pi divided by 2. So, x is pi by 2, and lower limit before substituting take minus sign, and x is 0 here. Therefore, it is pi divided by 2. Here 2i equal to pi divided by 2. Therefore, I is equal to how much it is? Pi divided by, it is 4. 2 into 2 is how much? It is 4. Therefore, I equal to pi by 4. Among this all the option 1 is the correct answer. Next, we will go for the second question. Next, here 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx, it can be written as 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. It is standard property in definite integral. According to the standard property of definite integral, now we will see this question. You don't think, just for time being, this given question you call as equation number 1. Next, here I is equal to 0 to pi divided by 2. According to the property of definite integrals, 0 to a f of a minus x into dx, after applying the same property here, this x can be written as, it is pi by 2 minus x. Next, f of sine, it is just pi. sin pi minus it is x into dx. It is not pi by 2, it is just pi. Next, see, next after this, once you written this is equation number 1. See, next it is again not pi by 2, it is also just pi. See, this is equal to 0 to pi, it is pi minus x, f of sin x, sin of it is pi minus x, it can be written as pi minus x into f of it is sin x. Next, this is equal to f of sin x dx, you multiply with this both the terms, 0 to pi, it is pi f of it is sin x into dx minus 0 to pi, it is x into f of it is sin x into dx. As you know very well, 0 to pi x f of sin x dx, it is given, therefore you call this is I. This equal to 0 to pi, it is pi f of sin x dx minus it is I. So before this I is there, this minus I after taking to the left hand side, it will be 1i plus 1i, it will be how much? It is 2i. 2i equal to pi, it is 0 to pi f of sin x into dx, it will be remaining. Next, keeping I here only, when you will be dividing, when this 2 will be taken to the right hand side, it will be pi divided by 2, 0 to pi, it is f of sin x into dx. So among the all options, see pi by 2, 0 to integration of 0 to pi f of sin x into dx. So option third one is the correct answer. Next, see, it is integration of minus 1 to 1 differentiation of tan inverse of 1 divided by x into dx. You do one thing, before integrating this respective term, first of all find out the differentiation of this term. See, you call this is equal to I. So I equal to minus 1 to 1. Then differentiation of tan inverse x, it will be 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by x whole raised to square into differentiation of 1 by x, it will be how much? Minus 1 divided by x square. Again this dx you write as it is. Next, after finding the LCM of this term, minus 1 to 1, next it will be 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square into minus 1 divided by it is x square. X square and x square both are gone. So this is equal to minus 1 to 1, it is 1 divided by minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square into dx. So this is equal to minus, you take it out of the integral. So integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square can be written as what? It is tan inverse of x. So its limit is minus 1 to 1. Next, this is equal to minus. Next, apply the upper limit. Tan inverse of 1, it is how much? It is pi divided by 4. Next, minus. Tan inverse of minus 1 can be written as minus pi by 4 it is. Next, minus into minus, it is plus pi by 4. Minus 1 pi by 4 plus 1 pi by 4, it will be how much? 2 pi divided by 4. So it is 2 ones are 2 2s are, this equal to minus pi divided by 2. It is the correct answer. So among the 4 options, first one is the correct answer. Next, we will go for the next question. See, here un equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power nx into dx. For n is greater than or equal to 2, then un plus un minus 2 equal to how much they are asking. You don't think again, un is this much, then what about un minus 2? You don't think. Here un plus un minus 2 equal to it is 0 to pi divided by 4. Un in the sense it is integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power nx into dx. Again plus, here plus is there. Next, integration of 0 to pi divided by 4. Un minus 2 it is, when you will be writing un as un minus 2, so it will be integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power it is n minus 2 x into dx. Next, limit is same with both the terms, so you write it is only once, 0 to pi divided by 4. Next, here tan to the power nx plus tan to the power n minus 2 x, then dx you write as common only once with this both the terms. Next, see, after finding the differentiation of this term you cannot get this, then after finding the differentiation of this you cannot get this, so substitution is totally not possible. You do one thing, this term can be written as what, 0 to pi divided by 4, so tan it is n minus 2 into x, so it is tan square x. See, tan raised to n minus 2 into x, after multiplying it both the terms, minus 2 plus 2, once you get cancelled, tan to the power n into x, you will be getting first term, plus it is 1 into dx. Next, this is equal to integration of pi divided by 4 tan square, tan raised to n minus 2 into x. Next, tan square x plus 1 can be written as what? It is sec square x into dx. Next, here you check with the solutions to getting the solutions by applying substitution. After finding tan x, its differentiation you will be getting sec square x. Therefore, put t is equal to, it is tan x. So, dt is equal to, it is sec square x into dx. Next, see, when integration by substitution, you will be applying here, even limits also changes. Do one thing, x equal to, after applying upper limit, that is pi divided by 4 into this term tan pi by 4, it will be 1, x equal to 0, so t value it will be how much? 0. Again come back with the terms. See, this is equal to, after applying pi by 4, here you got how much? It is 1. Then after substituting x is equal to 0, here you have got it is 0 only. Next, this entire term tan x we have considered as t to the power n minus 2. Next, sec square x dx, it can be written as dt. So this is equal to, next, integration of t to the power n minus 2 can be written as t to the power n minus 2 plus 1 is, it is n minus 1 whole divided by, it is n minus 1. Next, and limit is 0 to 1. This is equal to t to the, just apply the upper limit, it is t in the sense 1. 1 to the power n minus 1 will be how much? It is 1 divided by n minus 1 minus 0 to the power n minus 1, it will be 0. 0 divided by some terms will be 0. So, the solutions of this respective term it will be 1 divided by n minus 1. So, option third one is the correct answer. Next, we will go for the next question here. See, in equal to integration of 0 to 4 they are given. It is integration of 0 to 1 x to the power n e to the power, it is minus x into dx. So, if this is the given, then we have to find out here the integration of 7 minus 7i6, which is equal to how much? It is the question. You do one thing, first of all, i7, this is equal to integration of 0 to 1. If you written as 7, i7 integration of 0 to 1, this n can be written as 7, okay, then e to the power minus x into dx. See, the solutions of this you can going to get by applying integration by parts. So, x to the power 7 integration of 0 to 1 it is e to the power minus x dx minus integration of 0 to 1 into integration of it is e to the power minus x into dx again into differentiation of next it is x to the power 7. Next this is equal to see into dx. See x to the power 7 e to the power minus x is minus e to the power minus x minus 0 to 1 it is e to the power minus x is integration of e to the power minus x is minus e to the power minus x. Therefore, that minus this minus it became plus. So, x to the power 7 differentiation is 7 it is x to the power 6 into dx. Next this is equal to minus e to the power x to the power it is 7. Next plus 7 you take it is outside. So, x it can be written as 0 to 1 x to the power 6 e to the power minus x into dx. See the integration of I7 will be this much. Then what about integration of I6? It is the integration of I6. Therefore, here I will write directly minus e to the power it is minus x to the power 7 plus and here it will be limit 0 to 1 here is also 0 to 1 here is also 0 to 1 then 7 this is called as I6. Next this I6 you take to the left hand side. So, I7 minus it is 7 I6 this is equal to so e to the power minus x into x to the power 7 minus so limit is 0 to 1. After applying here the limit 0 to 1 here minus e to the power it is minus 1 to the power 7 is 1. Next minus 0 into some terms it will be 0 only. So, this is equal to minus e to the power minus 1 after taking it in the denominator side it will be 1 by e. Therefore, it is 1 divided by e is the answer of this question. So, among the all 4 options third one is the correct answer. Next see minus a to a mod x dx it can be written as mod of x this is equal to 0. So, plus or minus x this equal to 0 this implies x equal to how much it is 0. So, here limit is lying in between minus a to 0 and 0 to a. See minus x it will be when it will be less than 0 its limits x is belongs to x is called as limits x is belongs to here minus a to it is 0. Okay. Then next and when plus x it will be greater than 0 in this case x it will be belongs to it is 0 to a. Then apply the limit in this term I is equal to minus a to 0 it is negative minus x dx plus 0 to a it is x into dx. This is equal to minus integration of x is how much x square divided by 2 it is minus a to 0. Next plus x integration is x square divided by 2 it is again 0 to a. This is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 take it is outside. So, 0 to the power 2 is how much 0 minus a raised to square it will be how much it is just a only a square. Next plus it is 1 by 2 a square. Next minus it is 0 square. This is equal to minus a square minus into minus plus a square divided by 2 plus a square divided by 2. 2 times of a square divided by 2 is there. Therefore, it can be written as just a square 2 and 2 both are cancelled from numerator as well as denominator term. Among the 4 option, first one is the correct answer. Next, see, let f of x equal to integration of 0 to x t sin t dt. Then what about f dash of x, they are asking. You don't think. First of all, find the integration of this term by applying integration by parts. Okay. Next, f of x is equal to t 0 to x, it is sin t dt, minus integration 0 to x, it is sin t into dt. Then differentiation of it is t into again dt. This is equal to t. Integration of sin t is how much? Minus cos t. Its limits are 0 to x, minus integration of 0 to x. Sin t integration is minus cos t, minus into minus plus cos t. Then differentiation of t will be 1 into again dt is, it is dt. This is equal to minus cos t, here t, then limits are 0 to x, plus integration of cos t, it will be sin t. So limits are 0 to x. Now minus, it is t in the sense, use apply upper limits t, it is t as a x, it is x cos, it is x, minus 0 into full term, it will be 0, plus sin, it is x. Next, sin 0 is again 0. This is equal to minus x cos x plus it is sin x. Next, it is f dash of x equal to this much. Then what about f dash of x? F dash of x in the sense differentiation of this term, minus x. Then sin cos x differentiation is minus sin x, minus into minus plus, then minus cos x I will keep as it is outside, x differentiation is 1. Next, sin x differentiation is again it is cos x. So plus cos x minus cos x both are gone, x sin x it will be remaining. So among the all 4 option, second one is the correct answer. Yes, thank you. We'll see the remaining parts again on the next slide.